Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I'm so really glad to have you back talking in the front of camera. And guys, I've always been happy with this way. Speak in the front of camera is one of the best method that I've ever tried, and I've always been practicing my English through this way, and so I also will telling you out of my thought. In last month I already told you about the storyteller means, and you also can find some of my video that related to storytelling, and I'll be able to keep forward, but it wasn't easy, guys, because I had so many work on my workplace, hanging out with my friends, with my coworker. Actually, it was something that prevented me to stray forward on my daily activity or my discipline program. So, and this is actually I need to be ready for the next issue, ready for the next uncertainly situation, or probably they would influence me to a new habit, or they keep trying to get me to go with them, hanging out in the cafe or whenever it be. And so I already prepared for myself for the worst issue. So I also already write down any solution that could be useful for me in the head. So guys, this is the day 2 I do so guys, this is actually the day 2 I do storytelling. And as you can see, I'm here. I'm not going to tell you about my personal life in the beginning, and rather I will introduce you or tell you out what the storytelling benefit. So guys, storytelling is something that really important, and also really strong method for anything. It's not only for English, not only for being storyteller or just to tell a story, not really, but storytelling, which means you could use it to anything on your life. You could use it whenever you're working on your workplace. You probably wanna share your knowledge to someone who need your knowledge, and probably you need the knowledge from your friends, and then you try to be storytellers to ask them with some nice questions. And guys, and yeah, so the benefit of storyteller are divided by some point. So this actually based on my opinion. And the first one, being storyteller, everything just come out of your mouth could be understandable by people outside. Yeah, probably they might be very beginner on that things, but after you coming up and then they really know it and it works out very well. And then number two, this is self-branding. Yeah, as you can know that many as influencer or entrepreneur and many other people that they already use story telling as their foundations to build to set up their company, to set up their personality. And this is actually related to self-branding. So if you could be a storyteller, I could say if you just try to self-branding. Then point number 3, storytellers also could be one thing that many people are grumpy because many people outside couldn't be able to expose their thoughts because they lack of confidence, they lack of media, they lack of container that contain their thoughts. Yeah, so their thought goes running to whenever, I don't know. And this is actually the number 3. And so those points are my point of view, and absolutely just my point of view. I don't know about it from your point of view, so I would be very happy if you would type out your comment down below and share your knowledge about that. And also let's just have a nice conversation down below in the comment, and then we would be enjoy for the sum of topic. And I think that's all my explanations. That's all how I try to be storyteller for today, guys. Thank you so much.